Hello everybody, my name's Tahina, and today I have a ton of things to show you that are coming out on the Erin Condren website on July 7th. This is one of the new collections that is coming out for the back to school. I just want to thank Tori and the EC team for sending me this package so I could share all the items with you guys. Let's get started. So the items that I have are from the Hello Kitty collection. I did not receive a letter stating the prices of these items, but if I have any idea of the prices, I will put it down here somewhere. So let's get started. The first item that I received is this washi duo, which is super cute. Okay, so here is the washi duo. So we have a pink Hello Kitty one, and we have a white or a cream color with all of the characters, which is super cute, and they're both in gold foil. Okay, so the next item that I have is this stand-up pencil case. Now, I don't know if there's other versions or it's just going to be this one, but this is super cute. I've never had a stand-up pencil case. I always wanted one, but never got around to actually getting it. Well, I can move that paper now. So, that's cute. I'll definitely put that on my desk. So the next item I have is one of these pencil case pouches with all the friends on it. I really like that. It has the silver zipper. It's the same insides as the normal pencil cases, so you have a pocket here, some setups for pens or pencils, and then a big pocket here. So that's cute. Next up are these Hello Kitty mini gel pens, and they come in white, yellow, orange, pink, purple, blue, green, and this is like a light brown, like coffee color, latte color. So the next item is a sticky note booklet. And just a heads up, this is my second time recording this video. Between my cats and my fiance, they were too noisy, so I had to just delete the video that I actually recorded. So as you can see, I used these little markers, and I wrote on here to see how good they look, and they're definitely bright, so I like that. But you got two like half sheets, some tabs, some cutout ones, and then like a full sheet of the sticky notes. That's cute. I like that. Definitely use this. Next up is an item I'm really excited about. Okay, so this next item I'm really excited about. I'm definitely going to purchase this. When it launches. It is a Hello Kitty and Friends sticker book. This is so cute. Okay, so we have Hanyodon. I don't know how to say his name. I remember this character, but I wasn't a fan of it, so I don't know how to say his name. And Keroppi was my favorite. Even though Hello Kitty's a kitty and I'm obsessed with cats, Hello Kitty was not my favorite. And Bats Maru. And then, was it Coco Cat? I don't know. Like I said, I wasn't a fan of this cat here. My Melody. Tuxedo Sam. My best friend in high school, this was her favorite character. Pochaco, I remember him. And then the twins. And then this character, I think, came out like after high school for me. So I wasn't a fan of that one. My daughter was a fan of Kuromi. Yeah, she had a bank and everything. And then Hello Kitty. And then a sheet with all the characters. This is really cute. I love this sticker book. I'm really glad they did this. Next up is a sticker sheet. I don't know if this is the only theme that they will have. I'm pretty sure it's not, but it's just one of the themes. And I will definitely use this in a spread. Next up, I have these covers, or cover, I should say. Chase Your Dreams. This is really cute. And I'm pretty sure that you can change the red. Probably not these colors, but I'm pretty sure you could change this into a different color if you wanted. And the back looks like that. And then the inside. I like the stars on the inside. They also sent me an academic planner with another cover. I like this cover. This is cute. Gold Kidder. Okay, and this is what the inside looks like with the soccer ball and some stars. And the back has a soccer ball as well. They also sent me the kids planner. Now this is cute. I like that. There's a hair. I like that it comes in a little pouch. That's super cute. And it comes with the asters. And so here is the planner. I don't know if there's going to be other covers you can also receive with the kid planner. But the inside has apples and little bows. That's cute. And so, just going to flip through just a little bit. This is my family members, favorite color, favorite animal. When I grow up, I want to be. That's cute. A reading log. Allowance tracker. This will definitely, like if a kid actually uses this stuff, it'll definitely help them growing up and turning into an adult. Morning routine, evening routine. Oh, I love the munch spread. Okay, so it seems like a friend is every month is a new friend. Okay, and then we got the Bats Maru. Oh, we even got little puzzles. That's cute. And we got the kitty. And My Melanie. And Tuxedo Sam. Choco. Twins. Pom Pom Room. I don't know. Like I said, that was after my time. And Kuromi. And Hello Kitty. And then I'm assuming, yeah, it's all the friends. That's really cute. Shadow Love. How to Rock Your Planner. Okay. Oh, the mini months. That's cute. And it does come with a ton of stickers. So we have monthly stickers for each month. So January is gold. February is rose gold. March is silver. April is gold. rose gold. And then oh no, I guess it depends on the theme. So we have silver, and rose gold, gold. Like certain ones, like I knew this would be silver for Kuromi. That's cute. I really like this. And then the last thing that they sent me was a planner. They sent me this planner with this cover. We're all in this together with all the friends. I like this. I like this cover. It's cute. And then it has all the friends here. And they sent me a vertical mid-century circles planner, which I will definitely use. Okay, so that's everything that I received in the Hello Kitty collection. I'm not sure if there's actually other items as well that I didn't receive, which I'm sure there are a couple of things that I did not receive. And there's also going to be the Star Wars collection. I was really hoping to get that. Well, I don't know, because I'm not a fan of Star Wars, but my fiance kind of is. So I was hoping to get Star Wars stuff. And then there's just the back to school collection from Erin Condren. So there's going to be a ton of items available on the 7th, which if you're watching it when this video goes up, it's already going to be on the website. I will have a link in the description box. It is an affiliate link. So if you use the link and you purchase something, I will get some kickback, but no price to you. If you want to see more of these items, these collections that are coming out, please subscribe and like this video so you can let the EC team know that I'm actually showing you these items, and I can share more items for you in the future. And I will see you next time.